Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. And if you are not new, what's popping? As you guys can see, I am the Cleopatra. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, I need you to like this video right now, subscribe if you haven't, and be sure to share it right after you have finished watching the video. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy. I'm gonna start with my LA Girl Pro Conceal to do my brows with. Now that my brows are complete, I can move on to the eyes. I think that is the most obvious part about Cleopatra. I also got my sister to help me with the costume. I think she did an amazing job. I showed her what I wanted and got her the materials, and she was able to bring it to life, and I love it. I might have to improvise. I was really trying to find the perfect shade of blue. I think this one is definitely the perfect shade of blue. So what I'm going to do is create an eye base in the shade so that when I pack on the color, it looks as rich as possible. To do so, what I did was get my artist palette. Also, if you're here for the spooky look, give this video a thumbs up. I'm also going to be using my Kenzie Beauty palette to achieve this look. And I'm going to be using my Ambrosia Cosmetics IFX eyeshadow primer. This is a white base. So I'm going to mix eyeshadow with the base in order to get that. And you know, who is it? P. Louise, I think, have their icy eye base that is colored. They have the pink, blue, yellow, lilac, lavender, I don't know. I'm gonna make my own. So to make my own, what I do is get some disposable spatulas. I'm gonna dig out of this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is get into my Kenzie Beauty, and I'm going to take the lightest shade of blue. That is this shade right here. And I'm going to scrape that onto the primer and mix it. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to put a little bit of my Inglot Gel Liner. This is to kind of wake it up a little bit because I think I put too much eyeshadow now and it's kind of drying on me. Inglot Gel Liner kind of tends to wake products back up. Like, this is the resurrection and the life of makeup. So I'm going to take this flat brush, pick a product, and put it on my eye like this. Look at that. I'm going to get a fluffy brush to help blend this thing out because we want a flat base, an even base. I think I'm going to add the darker one just to tone it down a bit because it turned out to be much louder than I expected. And then so that it's not too dark, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, which is what I mixed into the base, and blend that, just help it to look more blended out. If you find this blue is too much, you can easily, just to tone it down, like the under my brow bone, I can go back in with the concealer that I use. So you see how I'm able to like bring that down, tone it down somewhat. I'm definitely gonna toss in some eyeshadow to set my brow bone, and I think I'm going to use my face powder for that, just to rein it in a little bit. Cleopatra gonna be saying a real thing. So I'm going to show you guys on one eye how I achieve all the antics, and I'm going to do the next eye off camera. Tipping into my Inglot Gel Liner. Let's get ready. Listen, this thing look kind of rough, but I think we should be able to clean it up somehow. And I'm going to use this to apply some glitter and all that jazz. I'm definitely going to use my Ruby Kiss I-bling because it helps give me that precision, you know. Then I'm going to dip into my city color and pick up the glitter with my brush. I zoom you guys in hopes that y'all can see this kind of magic I'm trying to work here. Let me do this next eye off camera and then we'll come right back for the face, right? The other eye is complete. Time for me to do my face. I'm going to use Beauty Treats Perfecting Primer. So y'all know I'm gonna go with my Superstay. If there's any foundation that you guys want me to try, comment and let me know. And I'm gonna check it out for you guys, okay? I'm gonna go in with the concealer that I've been using today, which is my Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Bisque. I'm actually going for a dramatic highlight today because y'all know the shade is, it looks white. Time for me to set it using my Dermablend. I understand you might probably think this highlight is ridiculous, but don't worry, it will blend out soon. Now I'll set the rest of my face with my Fit Me face powder. I'm gonna use my BH contour palette. Let me set my face. Time for me to do the next eye. I did my lips and lashes off camera, put on mascara, you know the do. Now it's time for me to pop on my wig. It's from Confidence by BabyGem. I will link her in my description yet again. I will also state in the description box what type of wig it is. I can't remember. All I know, I was like, girl, I need to get a Cleopatra looking wig. So this is the unit right here. I love it so much. I hope it looks just as good as it looks in my hand right now. All right, I'm already looking like a whole other woman, You know, I don't even have a comb here. Get at her if you guys want one. Because this is not just for Cleopatra, this is for, listen to me. How are we looking, guys? Look, you can separate it, you can bring it together. Oh yeah. And we see Mr. Rowler say that we could go back outside for a little bit. Outside is gonna see this wig. All right, I'm gonna be right back. I am going to decorate my hair, put on my little costume that my sister made, and then I'm gonna be back. I am back, and this is the final look. Do I look like Cleopatra or what? Is that how they do it? I'm Cleopatra 25. Okay, not a Cleopatra. This is what my sister made for me. I purchased the gems, the cloth, and she brought it to life. Look at that. Guys, I hope you like this look. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this spooky season look that I recorded for you all. If you're really liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it as much as possible, and stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, bye.